Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Reciprocal food sharing looks tricky, but this one moves fast. We just match the behavior to what actually boosts survival and allele passing. The setup describes unrelated adult bats feeding other adults that previously shared, so this is reciprocal behavior, and the scientist claim says that behavior should raise fitness for the species. To support that claim, the best choice must connect food sharing to survival and reproduction, because fitness means staying alive long enough to pass alleles into the social group. Option A does exactly that. Bats without food may die within 24 hours, so sharing keeps them alive and preserves allele transmission. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Avoid rushing past survival clues. Trust the given link between fitness, survival, and passing alleles through the group.